I'm kind of a germaphobe, so I want to get my shot done before school.
Hundreds turn out for whooping cough vaccinations in Manteca. The first of 8 free vaccination clinics in San Joaquin County started today. California has declared whooping cough an epidemic, perhaps the worst whooping cough outbreak in the last 50 years. Today, San Joaquin County began free vaccination clinics. KCRA 3's Rich Ibarra with who is most at risk.
Take a deep breath.
Almost 300 showed up for San Joaquin County's first vaccination clinic. The disease is most severe for babies, but the vaccinations here are for people from 11 years old to adult.
The childhood vaccines for whooping cough unfortunately wane over time and people start to lose their immunity. So when people get into junior high, high school, and adults, they don't have the same immunity as they did as children.
Teenagers and adults are spreading the disease, and 7 infants have died in the state this year from whooping cough. So far this year, San Joaquin County has seen 39 cases of whooping cough, but for all of last year, there were only 7 cases. Public Health is recommending teenagers get a booster and adults be vaccinated, especially if they are around infants, whose immunity from the vaccination doesn't start until they are about 6 months old.
I'm doing it because I'm going to be a grandma, and I don't want to take any chances with my grandbaby, and life is precious.
California has already counted almost 2,800 cases this year, and August and September are expected to be the peak months for whooping cough. In Manteca, Rich Ibarra, KCRA 3 reports.
So that was the first one today. San Joaquin County has 7 more free clinics scheduled through September, and you can go to our website, kcra.com, and find dates and locations for those clinics.